Stop talking. What are the problems we completed till 14? 13th completed, 13th overall. Okay, any other question? You can choose any other question from the remaining. I'll do that. I'll go for linear because other class I started linear. Okay. Yeah. Anyone? Once you can choose any question. 13th or 15th or 16th. 16th already objective question. We'll do the 15th. Okay. Question number 15. 2xy plus y square is equal to 2x square dy by dx. Here the initial conditions are y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Can you able to see the work? Okay. Right. First change it to standard form. There are only two standard form. One is linear in homogeneous in y, homogeneous in x. So homogeneous in y is dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, and homogeneous in x is dx by dy is equal to f of x comma y. So any one of the form you can change. Better we can change to homogeneous in y. So homogeneous in y means left side only in LHS only dy by dx. Is it in standard form? No. So what shall I do? 2x square dividing with 2x square, which implies, shall I write here like a dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square all divided by 2x square. Let us take this as 1. Okay, now let us consider the given function as f of x comma y, here 2xy plus y square by 2x square. Now we have to check whether given function is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, degree 0 or not. Whenever degree is 0, it is a differential equation. Like it is clearly homogeneous because when you find f of lambda x comma lambda y value, so 2 into lambda x into lambda y plus lambda y the whole square all divided by 2 into lambda x the whole square. Clear? Then what is the common in numerator? Lambda square is common, remaining is 2xy plus y square by 2 into lambda square x square. Lambda square get cancelled. So again it is f of x comma y. Therefore f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to, we got f of x comma y. There is no lambda. So shall I write this value as lambda to the power of 0? Yes, we can write. So clearly equation 1 is, what shall we write clearly? Equation 1 is homogeneous function of degree 0. We can write the steps like this. So clearly it is homogeneous function of degree 0. Whenever degree 0 equation, then what about equation 1? Homogeneous differential equation. That's it. Okay. Given equation homogeneous, then we can go for substitution. Okay, after what shall we substitute here? Y is equal to Vx and X is equal to Vy. Why Y is equal to Vx? Yeah, homogeneous in Y because here numerator is dependent Y. So let us take here, let y is equal to vx, then differentiate dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Then substitute both the values in equation 1 from 1. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to right side is 2x into vx plus vx the whole square by 2x square. So x into x square, here x square, when I take x square common, in RHS we'll get 2v plus v square by 2x square. Here it is v square, x square. I am taking x square common. Okay. Now x square get cancelled. This v value I want to take right side. So x dv by dx is equal to 2v plus v square by 2 minus v. Take LCM and simplify. When I take LCM 2v plus v square, 2 into v minus 2v. Anything cancel here? Shall I cancel 2v, 2v? So what about the remaining value? Right side v square by 2. Left side is x dv by dx. Now the possibility is there to separate the variable. Can you able to separate the x variable, y variable here? The question, we cannot. We cannot separate the variable, then variable separable method not applicable. Then we go for homogeneous. In homogeneous also, class it is depending on the variable. Now we can separate the v variable one side, x variable another side. V variable take into a left side, so which implies yeah. When I separate here, 2 by v square into dv is equal to dx by x. So what about here? Clearly your variables are separable, then solution is given by 2 and v square. And here 2 is a constant, take it outside, 1 by v square. Can you evaluate that integral of 1 by v square? V power minus 2. dv is equal to log x plus c, right? Now, which implies 2 into x power and v power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is equal to log x plus c. So, this is minus 2 by v log x plus c. Let us take this is, okay, at last we have to replace v value. What is v value? Y by x. Y is equal to vx, v is y by x. Okay, so replace here y by x, then this we are going to get 2x by y is equal to log x plus c. Now let us take this is equation 2. What about equation 2? Equation 2 is clearly a general solution. Because c is there, we don't know c value, then general solution. But they have given some initial conditions. What is x, what is y value they have given? Y is equal to, yeah, so here y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Substitute x and y value here. So minus 2 by 2 is equal to log x, x value 1 plus c. What is log 1? Log 0? Log 0 value? Infinity? Doesn't exist. Log infinity? Log infinity? Log infinity also doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Log e? log e value 1. Log infinity doesn't exist. Log 0 doesn't exist. Log minus 1 doesn't exist. Then what is exist? Okay, so log of mod x should be greater than 0, fine. But log infinity is infinity. Log 0 only fine. Doesn't exist. Because log infinity means when you see the graph, when x tends to infinity, this y also tends to infinity. Log infinity is infinity. Y is equal to log x. When x becomes infinity, y also tends to infinity. Okay, fine. Here log 1 value is clearly 0. 2 to get cancelled. So c is equal to minus 1 because log 1 is 0. C value again substitute in equation. We'll get particular sum. That's it. So minus 2x by y is equal to log x minus 1. Then y you can cross multiply. So y is equal to 2x by 1 minus log x. Shall we write like this? What is the book back answer they have? Same answer. Okay. Simple first step, change it to standard form. Second step, substitution. Third step, variable separable integration. In every question we'll do. At last, substitute initial condition. X value, y value. I substituted here. We'll get particular solution. 30th one. We'll do the 13th one. Yeah, tell me the question. After doing the 13th one, we'll go for linear. Yeah. X sine square y by x. Okay. This is 13th. Again, change it to standard form. Standard form is dy by dx. Okay. This kind of question. Okay. It must be changed to dy by dx. See, previous question, you may change it to dx by dy or dy by dx will get the answer. But this kind of questions here, sine square y by x. Whenever the question is involving y by x, we must change it to dy by dx. If the question is involving x by y, we must write side dx by dy. So here we must change to dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. For that this x dy take, okay, the first term take right side, x dy is equal to minus of x sine square y by x minus y into dx. Dx cross multiply, x cross multiply, so finally dy by dx is equal to, when I multiply with minus here, y minus x sine square y by x all divided by x. Now dividing with x. When I dividing with x here, dy by dx is equal to y by x minus x by x. Can I cancel x by x? Got it? This is the standard form. Y by x, here x by x get cancelled, only sine square y by x. Up to here, clear? Clear? Okay, this kind of question very easy to substitution method. Okay, you can check this. F of lambda x comma lambda y value you can find. We are going to get lambda power 0 f of x comma y only. No doubt in that. So here, what shall we substitute? Very simple. Yeah, already given. See, whatever the value they are given in the bracket, not only here, it may be, for example, It may be log of y by x, e power y by x, and cos of y by x. Whenever they're given in the bracket y by x or x by y, that value we can take as v. Whatever they have given, that only. Right? Clearly, let this y by x is equal to v, which implies y is equal to vx, which implies dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So these are the common steps, okay, in every question. Yeah, substitute and simplify. We'll get the answer. That is very easy only. When you substitute those values in equation 1, from 1, e plus x dv by dx, right side is y by x value directly v minus sine square v. Can I cancel v? Yes. X, which implies x dv by dx is equal to minus sine square v. Yeah, sine square v. Now separate the variable. Yeah, separate the variable. Take sine square is left side. X we can cross multiply. So 1 by sine square v into dv is equal to minus dx by x. This time cross multiply only sine square, not minus sine square. Got it? Okay, so which implies 1 by sine square is cosecant square v dv minus 1 by x dx. What shall I do now? Integration, because we separated that variable integral by adding constant. See, constant, don't confusing here. Sometimes I'm taking log c, sometimes I'm taking sc. In particular solution, you simply can take sc. Particular solution, when they given initial condition, x value, y value, simply you can take c. Don't confuse. If you take log c also, we get the same answer. No doubt in that. Okay. So if you take simply c, your integral cosecant square cot v minus or plus. Okay, integral secant square plus integral sine square doesn't exist. Okay, directly no standard form, we can convert. No formula direct sine square cos square. Okay. Okay, this is clearly minus cot v is equal to minus log x plus c. Yeah, minus log x, it's better to take left side, and minus cot we take right side. So log x is equal to cot v. What is v? What is v? Y by x plus c. Okay, this is equation 2. So what about equation 2? Is it particular solution? Is it particular solution? It is a general solution. Okay, when you substitute the particular values, you'll get the yeah, you can take minus c also. When you take minus c, no? It's okay. I'm taking minus c. No, when you take minus c or e4 c, log c, sine, all the cases will get the same answer. Okay, what is the constant you want to take? Just give me. Can I take sine c? Can I take c400? Your wish. Any constant you can take. Okay, I'm taking like this is uh, minus some sine of log of c power 100 I'm taking. It is a constant. Whatever you can take. Okay, this is a general solution. Okay, now I'm going to substitute the initial condition. When? What are the initial condition they have given? C constant, what whatever it is. It may be negative, it may be positive, it may be C. Finally, we have to replace constant value. What is the constant? What are the values they have given? Pi by 4 and x is equal to 1. Okay, now substitute. Log 1 is equal to cot pi by 4 by 1 minus sine of log of 3 power 100. Yeah, what is log 1? 0. What is cot pi by 4? 1. What about this constant? As it is. We want to this constant value. This is a general solution. I want to this minus of this value. What is this minus of this value? Take one left side. Minus 1. When I take 1 is left side. No. I want to take as it is. Okay. You may take this value left side. So sine of log of c power 100 is equal to 1. This one you can substitute here. If you take plus c is equal to, you'll get minus 1. If you take minus c, constant whatever it is. These values only changing, no? These two values only changing. Constant is not changing. Still having. I told you many times, constant is whatever it is. If you take any constant, the equation cannot be changed. I'm taking constant like this. Particular solution is not changing. Okay, you may take plus c. It's better to take plus c since you can find c value. So finally, this value substitute here in general solution. The solution becomes I know still you're having some doubts, confusing here. No, it's very easy to like substitute constant log x is equal to cot y by x minus 1. This is the particular solution. What is the book back answer they have given? Okay, when you take log e, this one as log e, log x minus 1 I am taking as log e. So log x plus log e cot y by x. Now log a plus log b log ab cot y by x. This is the answer.
Equal to cot y by x plus c, sir.
Okay.
This is pi by 4.
Okay.
And then I got log 1 is 0, sir.
Okay.
Cot pi by 4 is 1, sir. C is
Okay.
equal to minus 1.
Minus 1 you can substitute in. Yeah. What is the answer here getting?
So cot pi y by x minus log x equal to 1.
No. After finding c value, when you substitute in general solution equation 2, what is the answer you are going to get? Same answer only. Log x is equal to cot y by x.
Yes, sir.
Always will get the constant is c. What I am taking.
Sir, after finding this c value, we need to substitute in the
Yeah, substitute in
and
general
then
solution.
find the final equation.
Okay, C only here our target is we need to find C value in particular solution.
After finding that, we need to substitute.
Yeah, you can substitute in general solution. This is general solution. After finding C, again substitute.
NCERT board exam, sir. We want to read a miscellaneous exercise, sir.
Yeah.
But we should practice.
Yes. We have to practice it.
Sir, the one word under where to practice.
Hmm?
One word exam first term, sir. Where to practice, sir? For one word, sir.
One?
One mark, sir.
Oh, 1 mark. See, for 1 mark, yesterday I posted in your group one. Yeah, you can go through that. All are MCQs only. You have to practice it. N number of questions are there. That is the reason I posted all the chapters are there. It's better to you can practice. Okay, better to attend objective classes, OBT classes. Huh?
NCERT are the same. NCERT exactly.
NCRT only few questions are given. Whatever I have sent, that you can do.
NCERT itself.
Ah, examples. More than enough. Number of questions are there. Yeah, next one is graph note for, yeah, graph sheet compulsory. In exam, you must be draw the graph in graph sheet, but in classes not required. Just notes is enough. Yeah. Next topic is linear differential equation. This is the last topic in differential equation and very important. They ask 5 marks. First, they may ask from linear, next homogeneous, next variable separable, like that. Say linear programming alone. Okay, tomorrow class I'll start linear programming. 2 days is enough. That is a small chapter. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Clear? We'll go for. Okay, first. There are two types of linear differential equation. All of you observe it. This is also depending on first order, first degree differential equation. The question is right. I'm going to give some example. dy by dx is equal to right, students. Can you able to separate the variable here? Can you separate? Is there variable separable method applicable? No. Is there all the degrees are same? Same only, no? No. Yes or no? All degrees are same. All the terms degrees are same. Yeah, here 1, 1. It is constant, 0. Constant degree is 0. So all degrees are not same. When all degrees are same, we can apply the homogeneous method. Degrees are not same. So this type of questions, we cannot separate the variable. All degrees are not same, so that we cannot apply the homogeneous method. Then this kind of questions, what is the method want to apply to solve this? Okay, this kind of question we can apply linear differential equation. Okay, fine. How many types are there? Again, here also same two types: linear in y, linear in x. Linear in x, not in the syllabus. Revise the syllabus. They deleted linear in x. Just we want to study about only linear in y. That's all. Okay, first step. Only 3 steps here. First step, linear in y, write the standard form. Given differential equation, change to standard form. This is the standard form of linear differential equation. Coming to homogeneous, already we have written dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y form. This is homogeneous. For whereas linear, the standard form is this. After changing into standard form, first given equation, you have to observe that whether it is standard form or not. Standard form is dy by dx coefficient must be 1. And second condition is right side only the function in terms of x. Okay, first dy by dx coefficient is 1. Second point is right side only the function in terms of x. Okay, fine. The question in the standard form. After that, step 2. We have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor. Okay, integrating factor simply I can written as IF, integrating factor. Step 2 is you can take directly integrating factor formula, that is e to the power of integral p of x dx. Direct take formula e power integral p of x dx. Step 3, third step is general solution. Means directly we write the solution formula is there. The formula is, okay, what about this equation? Is it in linear in y or linear in x? What is the numerator variable? Dependent y. So linear in y, so that y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q of x into dx plus c. That's it, only 3 steps. We can take direct solution formula. Once again, with help of this p of x, we'll get integrating factor. With help of q of x, we'll get the solution. Only 3 steps. One is first change it to standard form. Second, integrating factor. Third one is solution. Remember these formulas. Okay, coming to the first question. Like linear in x is different. Linear in x means just interchange the variable. In place of y, take x. In place of x, take y. Complete, entire. So that is linear in x. We don't want that. Okay. Fine. First question. What is the first question? Yeah. Give me one. Yeah. Okay. Look it. First question. First one. Just tell me what is P of x, what is Q of x. First question. First question is in standard form? Standard form like dy by dx. Yes, it is in standard form. Okay, what is P of x? The first question. P of x into y coefficient. 2. What is Q of x? Sin x, RHS. Right side value completely Q of x. Okay, second question. Second question is in standard form. Observe that whether it is in dy by dx. Yes, dy by dx plus 3 into y. What is P of x? 3. What is Q of x? E power minus 2x. Okay, third one. Third one also same standard form. What is P of x? Q of x. Because the solution completely depending on P of x, Q of x. Okay, the solution depending on P of x, Q of x. First, you have to identify what is P, what is Q. Okay, fourth one. Secant x is P of x, tan x. Right, coming to the fifth one. Anyone? What is P of x? P of x is 1. Wonderful. 0. What is the y coefficient? So P of x is 1. Yeah, first of all, is that in standard form? I told you very clearly, this is standard form. If it is not in standard form, we can make them to standard form. Standard form is dy by dx coefficient 1. Is a dy by dx coefficient is 1. So what shall we do? Each and every term dividing with. Exactly. So here cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to some tan x. So first dividing with cos square, cos square, cos square. Get cancelled. Now dy by dx 1 by cos square is secant square x. Y is equal to. Okay. RHS well. Now what is P of x? Okay. Next. Question number 6. Question number 6, to get the standard form. Yeah, first dividing with x. Dividing with x, right? Question number 7, dividing each term with x log x. Okay. Question number 8, there is no dy by dx, right? Okay. So like that we can change it to standard form. First question. Okay, ma. Write up clearly the solution you have to write. Let us take this as equation 1. Write the steps. Clearly equation 1 is in standard form. Is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Q of x, right? That is, it is a linear differential equation in y. Yeah, comparing both, when I comparing, which implies p of x is equal to 2, q of x is sin x. Okay, step 1 is completed. Next, step 2, we have to, second step we have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor formula is e to the power of integral p of x dx. Substitute p of x value 2. So e to the power of integral 2 into dx. 2 is constant, take outside dx. Finally, what is the integrating factor of anyone? E power 2x. Yes, integral dx value, derivative integral cancel. So e to the power of 2x. This is integrating factor. Change it to standard form. Okay, you can compare, you'll get p of x very carefully. You have to take proper p of x. Okay, in case here, instead of plus, minus 2 is there. What is the p of x? Minus 2. So we'll get e power minus 2x is the integrating factor. That's it. Okay. After integrating factor, third step, finally general solution. Therefore, general solution of equation 1 is, what about this? Linear in y. Formula is y into integrating factor. Whenever linear in y, y into integrating. So is equal to substitute. We know that q of x value, we know that integrating factor. So y into e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2x and sin x into dx. UV rule using highlight rule. Otherwise, it's better to you can use the formula. Yeah, since we know that e to the power of ax sin bx dx, this is equal to e to the power of ax by a square plus b square a sin bx b minus b cos bx. This formula you can use. Okay. Otherwise, UV rule. What is U? What is V? U, V. With help of E is last, so that V. So it's better to apply the formula. Okay, then left side y e to the power of 2x. What about right side? What is the a value, b value? Amma? A value is 2, b value is 1. Comparing with e power ax, sin bx means sin x. X coefficient is 1. Clear? Okay, substitute a and b value. So e to the power of 2x by 2 square plus 1 square. A 2 sin x minus b 1 cos x. So 5 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. This is the required answer. Otherwise, you may dividing with e power 2x. Here also by e power 2x by e power 2x. All the terms dividing with 2x, 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 2x get cancelled. Now y is equal to, it can be written as 2 sin x minus cos x by 5 plus c by, it can be written as c to the power of minus 2x. So both are correct answer. Either you may UV rule. Let's do with help of UV. Okay. First we can note it down. This alone I'll explain with UV rule also. We'll continue the class. You want to break? Next period, mass only. Break you want. Okay. We'll take the break.